Hi, Alicia. My name's Christian. I'm with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are yours. They're exclusive to you. So you're not going to be in competition with who paid the most money this month or multiple other realtors for the same lead. So to get started, I have your Facebook page pulled up here. I'm glad to see the fact that it shows you're a realtor. So you have right up front, realtor. I'm a realtor. Call me. Good to know. A lot of realtors, believe it or not, don't have the fact that they're a realtor on their Facebook page. So you are definitely one step ahead of them. Three things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. Now, I did type in parkerteamtulsa.com, and then it just pulled up a error code through GoDaddy. So I'm not sure if you're working on that, if that's something that you're in process of or what, but you might want to get that checked out. But my wife did happen to put in another website, which is right here, which is a Parker.ccoklahoma.com. So this is the one we're going to use for this video. Now, three things: content, citations, and backlinks. The first is going to be content. So content is king in the eyes of Google and all search engines. Search engines love content. The more you have, the better. But particularly with real estate, content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos and how the photos are saved and what's behind the photos and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. So the thing to keep in mind is that, especially with real estate, with the IDX feed, with all the listing photos, how you save your photos is so very important. And so you want to make sure that a lot of times when we upload a photo to a computer, the computer creates a file name. Usually it's random letters and numbers, or it'll just be like, Alicia or something like that. So that's no good. You're going to want to delete that, and you're going to want to put in some good content that's going to be read, that's going to help you rank. Okay, so obviously if search engines are reading how we save our photos, and obviously that is a very important thing. So do your homework and make sure you save all your photos the right way. And again, I don't know if this is, Chenoweth and Cohen website where that you may not be able to do much with, but if you do ever get your own, the Parker Team Tulsa, or whatever you can do, I would highly suggest making sure all your photos are saved the right way. And it even goes down to the size of the photos and how they're saved. So just do your homework on your photos. Next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. Okay, that would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All of those are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. This is what we like to call a map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Tulsa Realtors. Okay, we have Greater Tulsa Association of Realtors, McGraw Realtors, McGraw Realtors. So obviously McGraw is doing the right thing for this. And then also too, as you can see, McGraw's in the 4th position as well. So their website's actually ranking organically, which is good to see. But then again, we got, Chino and Koeth, they're not here. So this is really where you want to be. And then more importantly than that, I'd like to point out, so I don't know if you're a broker. It looks like you have a team, but either way, whether you're a broker or not, you can have a Google My Business page. So, Chenoweth and Cohen, Midtown, they are right here. I don't know if this is the broker that you work for specifically. Looks like there may be a couple Chenoweth and Cohen's around, but either way, are you getting leads from this? Are you getting leads from your website? That's the real question. So I didn't notice that you have a Google My Business page, so I don't believe you do. And if you do, then I apologize for not finding it. But if I didn't find it, then I'm willing to bet you that the clients aren't going to find it either. So there's actually a couple Chenoweth and Cohen realtors that have Google My Business pages. So definitely suggest getting one. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to use Brian Freri's. Okay. So once you get your Google My Business page, this is what it's going to look like. It's a pretty basic Google My Business page. He's actually in the 4th position, I believe. So he's obviously doing something right. Now with his citations, a couple things else we want to point out. Reviews. So we recommend 25 reviews. Obviously, Brian has 9. So you're going to want at least 10. You want to beat your competition with reviews. But Definitely 25 is that number we're going to try and shoot for. Also, I like to have you guys put your URL down at the bottom here. So put your domain down in the appointment section, and that's going to help drive traffic to your website as well. And then the last thing with the Google My Business page is these photos. So we recommend 10 photos minimum. So you're going to want 10 photos. And then again, you're going to want to make sure that all those photos are saved in the same manner and fashion that we save your photos on your website. So 10 photos, all saved the right way. You're going to shoot for 25 reviews, and then just complete your profile, and that you will be on your way with some citations to bringing in some of these leads using the World Wide Web and Google. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found on the internet. And so it looks like, like I said, the Parker Team Tulsa is non-existent at this point, but what we do have is a parker.ccoklahoma.com, and anywhere that you blast your website to is going to give you a backlink, okay? But not all backlinks are created equal. So as you can see here, your website has 4 backlinks from 4 referring domains, and your domain rating is only a 27. So that's a 27 out of 100. So that's pretty low. So keep in mind that not all backlinks are created equal. Do your homework and make sure to get yourself some backlinks that are powerful, that are relevant to the subject matter, being real estate, and then that are not spammy. So do your homework when getting backlinks and get yourself some good ones. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business to bring you some leads. And if you have any questions or comments, please do feel free to get in touch with us. So thank you very much for watching.